morning, everyone. The snow that fell across the DC Metro and parts of Virginia yesterday is now out of the way, but we have another storm system impacting the Midwest at this point as that active pattern continues this week. So let's dive into WX Horizon and check out the road conditions in some of these areas. Here's the current radar picture across the Midwest, and we've had some dry air work into the Kansas City area where you see the snow hole here. So as of yesterday, WX Horizon was predicting about 2 inches of snow on the road in Kansas City, where NWS was going about 5 to 7. So I was a little bit cautious with that, but it ended up being correct. Some dry air worked in, and there are lesser amounts of snowfall in this area. Right now, we do have some heavier snowfall amounts in northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. And if we loop this forward, you can see how the radar progresses over the next 12 to 24 hours here as snow continues to push off to the east. Those road temperatures are changing, but mainly staying below freezing, near freezing in northern Illinois, but definitely below freezing in southern Wisconsin. So there will be accumulating snow on the roads here, and it could be heavy at times, especially right along the lake with some of that lake enhancement. Let's zoom into the Chicago area. I want to show you the current state of the roadways through our connected car data layer brought to you by Naira Dynamics. If we look at the current grip in the area, we can see how the road conditions are right now across Chicago. And we mostly have good grips in green here. So the roads are looking okay, even with some light to moderate snowfall coming down. There are certain areas, especially off here to the northwest, where grips drop off a little bit. But all in all, road conditions seem to be pretty good in Chicago right now. We're expecting about roughly 2 to maybe 3 inches in pockets of snow on the roads in the Chicago area. But more of a nuisance storm, not a big blockbuster by any means for this winter weather event.